Hello everyone, I'm Dennis Wang and I want to show you the safest way to remove cured resin from your screen in case you have a resin leak and you do not have screen guard on your screen. In short, you can use any adhesive tape, but I prefer to use masking tape. And just in case there's still any wet resin, usually the first step is I would do the vat cleaning, so any uncured resin will be fully cured. And then prepare some alcohol in bottle spray with some paper towel or facial tissue. We want to wipe the cured resin from the screen until it is fully dry. Now it will be quite hard if you wear gloves on both hands, so you can remove one glove, but be careful not to touch the resin with your hand that is not wearing glove. Simply lay the tape on the cured resin and peel it off. And voila, you don't have to use any kind of plastic razor or any kind of sharp object, something like this, and this is dangerous. And I've seen many people destroy their brand new printer, the screen, just because they use plastic razor. And this is the safest way. Let me know your thought in the comment section. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you.